sum of n terms of an AP, Sn formula we got from the derivation, that is it n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes? Now n by 2 as usual, I'll write this 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. Is there any mistake? Is there any mistake in my writing? 2a I mentioned as a plus a. So, okay, thank you. So, a as usual, a plus n minus 1 into d. Do you remember what is this? Which formula is this? This is the formula for nth term or last term of an AP. Am I correct? Yes or no? L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into the previous exercise. In the previous exercise we discussed. Correct? So we can say sum of n terms of n AP is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. N by 2, then in bracket first term plus last term also you can say. Clear? Over? Okay. Now we'll go to another topic. Just to see. Suppose S nth term. Nth means what? This is not sum of n terms. Nth terms. Only T. Okay, that means I can say that is Tn formula. I can say that is also a Tn formula. S nth term means Tnth term, Tn formula. Suppose I have to find I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 students mark is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 students mark is there. I have know the sum of the 10 students mark. That is suppose 200. Sum of the first 9 students mark is 180. What is the mark of the 10th student? 20. Very good. So 10th students marks are T10, 9 students mark T first 9, T9. Like the T10 minus T9? Yes or no? Yes or no? Similarly, Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. You can do. You can prove it also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, minus n minus 1 by 2, 2a plus n minus 2 it will become here. N minus 2 into d. Clear? So, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d as usual. Keep it minus n minus 1 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what you do? Separate n minus 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d minus n minus, this one also you have to separate n minus 2 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 within bracket this one 2a plus n minus 1 into d minus d. This will become long, I think. Okay, let us check. Long also it is we have to do. N minus 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d minus n minus n 2a n by 2 minus n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d minus n by 2 minus this minus plus n by 2 into d. Again minus half you multiply minus minus plus half into 2 down I am writing plus half into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and minus half into minus minus plus and minus t by 2. This term cancelled. I am doing it up now. So what left here? Let us write on what I have left. N by 2d half of a, multiply this one, half into 2a into half a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d minus d by 2. This one will come a take outside plus n d by 2, this one also multiply n d by 2 minus, here is minus, okay, minus d by 2 minus d by 2. Shall I erase this part? So a as usual, this one 2 and 2, this will nd, it will become this 2 will become minus d. Take common a plus n minus 1 into d, that is tn. Got it? Got it? This is the formula for means this, the formula is actually this one, Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. I explained, derived that. Okay, so this is the formula. So you go ahead.